When you download a popular app, it feels like a single solid piece of engineering. You interact with a unified interface, naturally assuming that one team wrote the software from top to bottom. This animated diagram shows how that solid application actually dissolves into a massive downward branching root system known as a dependency tree. Modern software development relies on snapping together thousands of pre-built, open-source building blocks rather than writing every line of code from scratch. Continuing with this network visualization, we can see specific pathways routing from the main application down to major external nodes. If an app needs advanced AI capabilities, developers use these pre-built, open-source bridges to connect their software to external models, like OpenAI or Anthropic. Developers rely entirely on these third-party bridges to build AI tools. This means a system's security depends on invisible external code instead of the developer's own logic. LiteLLM serves as one of these crucial open-source bridges. It acts as a central hub where developers manage their API connections, the digital handshakes that allow their application to speak directly with those external AI models. According to Cyber Insider, developers rely heavily on this tool, with LiteLLM receiving tens of millions of downloads every single month. To function as this central routing hub, LiteLLM requires access to highly sensitive data. It holds API keys, cloud credentials, and database passwords in one location. Consolidating all of these credentials into a single hub makes development incredibly efficient. It also creates a highly concentrated target for anyone trying to extract those exact credentials. Breaking into individual, highly secured developer environments requires significant effort. Attackers realized it is far more efficient to compromise the shared supply chain that thousands of developers already actively use. According to the cybersecurity firm Netsby, the attackers successfully took over a legitimate, official maintainer account for LiteLLM. This timeline of software updates shows normal, green version blocks suddenly interrupted by a corrupted red block. The attackers used the compromised account to publish these corrupted versions, identified as 1.82.7 and 1.82.8. The corrupted red block detaches and flows downward, passing easily through a glowing security barrier. Because the update came from a verified source, automated update systems pulled the malware right past their own firewalls. Wikipedia defines this dynamic as a supply chain attack, a method of attacking an organization by targeting less secure elements in its distribution network. Once installed, the malicious code did not break the application or trigger immediate system alarms. It went to work silently in the background. Security firm Armo reported that the code actively swept the host machine for specific high-value targets. It searched for AWS credentials, Google Cloud Access, and SSH keys, the cryptographic keys used to securely access remote computers. The malware also carried a secondary objective. It attempted to spread laterally into foundational backend systems like Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a platform used to automate the deployment and scaling of containerized applications. The payload was not designed for sabotage or immediate destruction. Its clear goal was to silently strip mine the host machine of every valuable access credential it contained. The compromised versions were quickly flagged by the security community and immediately removed from official open-source repositories. To contain the threat, developers worldwide had to initiate a global response, rapidly rotating their access keys and invalidating old cloud credentials to lock the attackers out. A report from the Times of India noted that the damage was limited, partly due to a literal coding bug within the malware itself, which significantly restricted its ability to spread to other services. A massive breach was contained largely by a technical error within the malicious code itself. The event clearly demonstrated the extreme fragility of the tools used to build AI infrastructure. The dependency tree we examined earlier inherently carries a hidden risk. This massive dependency network illustrates how a single compromised node at the bottom shoots warning signals rapidly upwards. As highlighted by Medium, an app could be compromised even if the developer never directly installed LiteLLM, simply by using a tool that relied on it. Blindly trusting third-party open-source libraries without strict monitoring is a measurable security risk. As systems are rapidly deployed, developers face a distinct reality. The next significant security threats often arrive from within the tools they chose to trust.